Hello guys, myself Mayank and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to set up Apache Spark 3 on our new Windows machine from scratch. It requires 5 steps. Let's start with the first step. Install Jdk. Go to the following URL and click the Windows 64-bit link if you're on the Windows machine. Let the file get downloaded. Now extract the file here. Copy the contents of folder and go to C drive. Create new Java folder and paste the content there. Now check if you have Java installed in your machine or not. You'll see the following message. It means it is not yet installed. We need to set path in environment variable to make it accessible from anywhere. Go to environment variable settings, click new path and give variable name to Java home and set the value to Java folder path which we have just created. Now click on OK button. Now edit the path variable, set the value to Java folder path along with bin directory in it. Click OK to save it. Now check again in CMD with Java minus version command. If you will get the following output, then Java is installed. Now go to the next step of installing Hadoop winutils. Go to the following URL, click on download zip button. This step is mandatory for Windows user but optional for Mac and Linux users. Now extract the folder and go to 2.7.7 version as we are going to use this version in all the projects. As download is not the right directory to save the data, we'll paste it to some other directory. I have created Hadoop 27 directory and save the data inside it. Now go to environment variable, create Hadoop home variable and paste the Hadoop path as value. Now edit the path variable and paste the Hadoop home path along with bin directory in it. That's it. Second step is also done. Now go to the next step of downloading Spark binaries. Go to spark.apache.org, click on download section, choose the Spark 3 version and Hadoop 2.7 version and click on the link to start download. Extract the files, copy the files in a new directory as we did it for Hadoop. I named it Spark 3. Now again edit the environment variable settings and create Spark home path variable with the respective value and edit the path variable as well as we did for Hadoop home and Java home. Now third step is also completed. Great. Now step 4 is downloading Python. I'm downloading Anaconda. Go to Anaconda website, download the Windows version, click on the executable and follow the installation steps and complete the installation. I have downloaded Anaconda, but you can download some other Python also. And if you have already Python installed in your machine, you can skip this step. It is completed. Now edit the environment variable for Anaconda also. Go to the C directory, users, a folder where Anaconda 3 is installed. You will see a Python utility over here. You need to give this path in environment variable. Open the environment variable settings, create PySpark Python variable and give the value of that path along with Python. Done. Now we need to configure one more environment variable, that is Python path, and give the following paths which I am doing in the video. This step is used to tell Python to refer other supporting libraries. I'll name it as Python underscore path, and I'll go to the Spark 3 directory, Python, and I'll copy this path and paste it in as a value. Along with this value, I need to give one more value, for which I have to go into lib directory and copy this py4j.src.zip file. Just OK, save it. Now the last step is rename the log4j properties file and change the info to warning setting so that it will print only warning messages and error messages on console, and it will save some info messages. Now rename the Spark defaults file name as well. It will be helpful for further projects. Now that's it. Now just to confirm if we have successfully completed this installation or not, open the CMD and run the PySpark command. You will get following warnings. You can just simply ignore it. This is something we are getting because we have installed Java 11. Just wait for a few seconds. And bingo, Spark shell is running now. We are able to set up Spark on our local windows. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, please hit the like and subscribe button.